children, try this. Make way for the red banded duck.
Honk!
You really are going to have to do something about that, Honk. Oh, look, what's wrong? Get back! You're too big for your age already.
It's not fair. I'm hungry too. Why are you picking on me? Honk! Honk! If they knew just how dearly I love to honk. But it's true. I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different. I'm just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty. Different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're all peers from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. But it's harder when you're